Mavic 2 Pro, is it still the best? Let's take a look. Mavic 2 Pro was released on August 2018. It has been more than a year for this thing, and DJI has finally dropped the price. So, is it still worth it? Mavic 2 Pro has been my trusty little helper since it came out. The portability, the video quality, the signal strength, I have never had any issues with this drone whatsoever. The video it produces is very usable in most situations. Only in few projects the client wanted the Inspire 2, and in most situations the Mavic 2 Pro was more than enough to get the shots. And there is a reason for that. The video quality is very good. It's not the best. The Phantom 4 Pro does have a sharper image, but the portability of the Mavic 2 Pro wins over the tiny increase in quality, at least for me. Because the best drone you have is the one that you have with you. Also, the battery life for this thing is very good. Like those 24 minutes in air is more than enough to capture everything you need, and I have never had any issues with the battery life. I would definitely recommend getting the Fly More combo because then you get 3 batteries, which gives you total flight time at around 75 minutes, which is just amazing. You can just go and disappear in air, at least for an hour. And you also get a carrying bag, which is very useful to bring this thing around because, well, it has these propellers and you don't want them to flop around in your bag. Also, the Fly More combo comes with a charging hub, which means you can put your batteries in it and then they all will be charged, so you don't have to switch them out every hour or so. That's also very helpful. In flight, the Mavic 2 Pro, I would say, feels a lot more stable than the Phantom 4. I guess it's because of the aerodynamics, because, well, that big bulky white drone has to fight the winds a lot more than the Mavic 2 Pro. It does feel a lot more stable in air. Also, because of the size, you feel a lot more safer getting those close proximity shots. And I haven't mentioned the Hyperlapse. Hyperlapses were known before as well, but they weren't known as an automated feature in a drone. Because, well, before you had to go with your tripod or camera, just walk around, take photos with whatever you have in the center, and then you stabilize it, and then you have like your hyperlapse. Last year, DJI just said, no, we'll make this automated. It will be very easy to do and everyone will be able to do it. And that's what happened. They introduced the hyperlapse functionality, and it's so easy to use that really anyone can make a hyperlapse now, and I have seen a lot of people making hyperlapses, which is great. But now I think it's time to take a look on what this drone can achieve. So I made this edit so you can have a feeling of what can you achieve with this drone if you know what you're doing. So enjoy. single photos as well. And the quality on those is very good. The 20 megapixel camera captures very cool photos, and on Instagram they look just perfect. So Mavic 2 Pro might be the perfect Instagram drone. The Mavic 2 Pro is a really great piece of equipment, and now when the price has dropped, it becomes a lot more desirable. I have been in many different scenarios with this drone, and it has always been there for me. It has always done its job, and it has always pleased the client with great video results. If you consider buying Mavic 2 Pro, then please check out the description. I have the affiliate link over there, so if you get it through there, you help out my channel directly. That's very much appreciated. And if you enjoyed this video and how it looks, you can get my lot pack. It's quite very cheap. It only costs $5 and you can get it in the description. You will buy my lot. And if you want to get those lots for free, there are two options. You can go to my Instagram account, the Sky High Films, link in the description. Follow me there and comment on the latest post about this drone elevator effect. Comment that you want the lots, and I will choose 3 of you who will win the lots. And the second option is just to become my Patreon. You can become my Patreon even for $1 a month, and then you get the lot pack for free as well. So yeah, choose your destiny. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. That really helps me out to get this video to broader audiences, and that would be very much appreciated. And also, if you want to see more from me, then consider subscribing. And if you are considering subscribing, then please click that bell thingy, because then you will be notified whenever I upload. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.